This is play 15, 154 or 157. Any combination of three numbers. First two numbers are the ones that matter. Pitcher has any ball right back to them, kind of first base side as well. Third baseman should be up and charging. Again, third baseman should be in a situation where we're looking for a bunt, expecting a bunt, should be up on the infield cut of the grass. This ball's going to get bunted back to the pitcher. We'll play it. In this situation, the pitcher's throwing the ball to first base. Third baseman retreats, cover back to his base. Second baseman and right fielder are both heading over to first. Second baseman, in case the ball is bunted to first, hard to first, and first baseman needs to go get it, will be there to cover first base. Right fielder's backing up. Center fielder's backing up a throw. Originally, as you can see, he's backing up that throw to second. As the ball gets thrown to first, he's moving in behind the second baseman. What we do from here is our first baseman, on a good throw to him, will automatically fire the ball to our shortstop and looking to see if that runner rounds second base to try and pick up the ball. If he does, then we will tag him out. Good chance of getting an easy out there double play potential. That's why it's important that the center fielder is backing up that throw, just in case the ball gets by the shortstop. Again, this is play 15. Through the hard bunt back to the pitcher. The pitcher could obviously throw to second, which would be the shortstop covering.